Alright, got here is a Makita battery pack. I've already opened it up and tested the cells. There's seemingly nothing wrong with the cells. They all measure out at good voltages, but the charger will not accept it. So what that means is somewhere along the line something went wrong with this, and the computer chips in here that control the battery pack decided to give up the ghost. So you can buy replacement ones online. I think I paid about $10 for one of these. The trick is to get this to fit in to these battery packs. Depending on how old your battery pack is, it actually has different chips that come with it. This is the one that actually came with this pack, and you know it fits in here. It's got mounting screws that are aligned just so. The ones you buy online, they don't really match up, so you gotta kind of just make it work. This sensor, thermal sensor, goes in the side of this pack, but I think these are newer packs and that's not really a possibility here, so I'm just gonna glue it down here. Again, I really don't care if I fry this pack. You know, this didn't cost me anything except for the little circuit board, and I learned a lot along the way, so good enough. I have a better soldering iron coming in the mail, or I hope it's better. Oh yeah, because this is junk. I don't care what anyone says, Dremels are useful. Oh, wrong way around. Oh no! No! Ah, fuck. Oh yeah. Let's see. Moment of truth. Feels like it's not going in far enough. Yeah. Why is it not going in? know, maybe I'm being paranoid, but I feel heat coming from this thing. Yep, paranoid. Don't know what to make of that. I don't know. Oh. Hold my breath. No smoke anywhere. It's going up. Oh. Oh yeah. All right. That actually worked. Okay, one down, one to go. Sweet. Then let's try to do the second pack. This one's from the start, so you get to see everything. I get dicey. You know, you can get these packs nowadays for, if you get them on sale, $60, 60 Canadian dollars. And it makes you wonder, is this really worth it? Alright, I still don't know what the hell is keeping this one from fitting. Something on this side. See, this side fits in alright. I don't know if I should just get fucking rammy with it or what. Maybe I should just get rammy with it. Fuck it. Alright, I think it's... Whoop. Something in there is not fitting right, so... just gotta go. Let's see how that fits. Yeah. Beauty. All right. Onward. Good practice to test everything along the way, because just to make sure it actually fits at every step. Ah, this shit takes forever to dry. Come on, I don't have all day. Oh wait, yes I do. There we go. Alright, here we go, soldering the second pack here. Double checking. See, look at that. 19 volts. This pack is basically fully charged and it's not working. Right, so this is our positive here on the left. This time I left myself a bit more tab here to work with. Alright, 1 hour later, hopefully this thing's hot enough. Oh yeah, she's getting hot. Woo. Alright, well, camera shut off and I didn't notice. Anyway, I got it eventually. Okay. Sweet. Well, so that's that. Lessons learned is fucking do not waste your time with a shitty soldering iron. The control boards might not always fit perfectly, so you might have to grind away some stuff to make it work. But actually that was pretty simple. Now these battery packs, of course, all the cells were actually okay. If you have to rebuild the pack with fresh cells or rejuvenated ones or whatever, scrap ones, it's a bit more involved, but doable. There we go.